Hi everyone, welcome to another video, Algebra 1 Common Core Exam Prep. Today I have 3 past exam questions on functions and expressions. The first one, what are the zeros of the function fx is equal to x squared minus 13x minus 30? So let's start with this one to see if this set is the zeros. So we have f negative 10 is equal to negative 10 squared 100, negative 10 times negative 13 positive 130, and we have this negative 30. So when we simplify that, that is definitely not equal to 0. So if this is not equal to 0, then this is not the set, so we move on to the next one. But trial and error, let's do this one. F negative 15 equals negative 15 squared is equal to positive 225. Negative 15 times 13 is equal to positive 295. Positive, it's 195. 15 times 13, 195. And then we have this minus 30. And here again, we see that this is not equal to 0 when simplified. So let's move on to this one. F 15 is equal to positive 15 squared is equal to 225 minus positive 15 times negative 13 is equal to negative 195, and we have the negative 30. So 225 minus 195 minus 30 is equal to 0. Equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. So now we have to do this one. F negative 2. Negative 2 squared is equal to positive 4. Negative 2 times negative 13 is positive 26. And we have this minus 30. And this is simplified equal to 0. So we know that option 4 or choice 4 is the correct 0 values. So we just go ahead and circle. This is our correct option. The second one, the zeros of the function px equals x squared minus 2x minus 24 are, let's start with negative 8, p negative 8 equals negative 8 squared is positive 64. Negative 8 times negative 2, positive 16, and we have minus 24. And that is certainly not equal to 0 when simplified. So let's move on to this one. Let's try negative 6 to see if these are not at 0 values. Let's see if this negative 6 and 4 will be. So let's start with negative 6. P negative 6. Negative 6 squared, 36. Negative 6 times negative 2 plus 12. And then we have our minus 24. And 36 plus 12 minus 24 is not equal to 0. So let's move on to number 3. Let's do negative 4. P negative 4. Negative 4 squared is equal to 16. Negative 4 times negative 2, positive 8. And we have our minus 24. And when we simplify, this is equal to 0. So we know that negative 4 is a 0 value. So let's do the 6 to see if these are the two values. So P 6 equals 6 squared, 36. 6 times negative 2, negative 12, minus 24. And when we simplify, this is equal to 0. So we know that negative 4 and 6 are the 0 values of this function. Next, the expression 3 times x squared plus 2x minus 3 minus 4 times 4x squared minus 7x plus 5. So let's rewrite 3x squared plus 2x minus 3 minus 4 times 4x squared minus 7x plus 5. Let's go ahead and simplify that. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 2x plus 6x. 3 times negative 3, negative 9. Minus 4 times 4x squared, 16x squared negative 4x times negative 4 times negative 7x positive 28x. Negative 4 times positive 5 is negative 20. Let's check to see if everything looks good. 3x squared, 6x, negative 9, negative and positive, negative 28x. Okay, everything looks good. So let's now, so we have removed the parentheses. Now let us simplify. So we're going to simplify the like terms. So let's collect the like terms first. So we have 3x squared minus 16x squared. Then we have positive 6x and positive 28x. Now we have negative 9 and negative 20. That's negative 29. Let's continue to further simplify. Positive 3x squared and 16x squared is equal to negative 13x squared. Positive 6x and positive 28x is equal to positive 34x. Minus 29. Okay, everything looks good. So let's check to see which one of these is our correct choice. Negative 13x plus 29, negative 13x squared plus 34x minus 29. So choice 2 is the correct choice. Choice 2, the correct choice. Negative 13x, negative 13x squared plus 34x minus 29. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope this will help you in preparing for your very soon upcoming exams. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video.